Welcome everyone. This video features a live broadcast from our channel, running 24/7. Today, I'll walk you through using our educational live trading broadcast. We'll delve into the specifics of supply and demand zones, understand the meaning behind each signal, and explore the concept of take profit. So, how to correctly understand what you see in our live streams. Let's illustrate this with an example. First and foremost, take note of the time frame being used. If the time frame is M5, it means that each candle on the chart represents 5 minutes. Some of our live streams use M15 time frame, meaning each candle on the chart represents 15 minutes. At the top and bottom of the screen, you see the supply and demand zones. What do these zones mean? Supply zone. This is an area on the chart where sellers outnumber buyers, indicating a potential upcoming decrease in price. There's a strong probability that the price will go down from this point. On the flip side, a demand zone is where buyers outnumber sellers, suggesting a potential rise in price. There's a strong probability that the price will go up from this point. Besides the zones on this chart, you also see 3 types of signals: buy signal, sell signal, and TP, which means take profit. A buy signal occurs when the market conditions favor an upward movement in price. It suggests a high probability that the price will increase, making it a favorable time to consider buying. Conversely, a sell signal indicates that market conditions are conducive to a downward movement in price. This signal suggests a high probability that the price will decrease, making it a suitable time to consider selling. Take profit is a predetermined price level at which you decide to close a profitable trade. It's a strategic move to secure your gains before the market conditions potentially change. However, there may be more than one TP signal in a row. Take profit signals appear only when the preceding signal is strong enough. Otherwise, a signal change will follow. Now you understand what zones and signals are. It's important to know that signals are closely tied to zones. There's one very important and very simple rule you should remember. The closer the signal is to the zone, the stronger it is. It's a straightforward rule. But sticking to it can really help you understand the current state of the market. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this video has given you a solid understanding of how to interpret our educational live broadcasts. You can find a list of all our educational live streams in the description below this video.
Everything you see is for educational and informative purposes only.
Thank you for watching.